Hey everyone, this is Trevor Bates with PDS Equipment doing another RASTERLINK tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a white plate as well as how to thin that white plate. This is a call we get a lot. People are always asking, how do I thin that white line out on the edge of my print? And I'm going to show you how to do that today. First thing we're going to do is select our job. Come over here to Special Plate. We're going to do a white plate. 100 on our percents, and we're going to choose valid pixel. We are going to go ahead and composite this automatically on the bottom of this logo. Once this is composited, I'm now going to try to thin the white. I'm going to come over here to the Layer tab and select it. Now I'm going to come over here to the left and select the white. When I do that, it's going to change my screen. I then will come to correct the size and select the checkbox. And then we have thickening and thinning. We're going to want to draw that white in underneath the file, so we're going to select thinning. And then you can thin either from the scan or the feed side. A lot of times when I do thin, I like to do them both the same, so it's proportionate. And I will usually start with around 2 and 2. If you're still seeing a little bit of the white line hanging out, you may need to go up to 3 and 3, maybe 4 and 4. Give this a shot, see if this helps the white from hanging out outside your jobs. And once again, this is Trevor Bates with PDS Equipment. If you have any other questions or concerns, give me a call at 615-866-7453.